Hey everyone, have you ever wondered if you can see who's checking out your Roblox profile, maybe a friend, a fan, or someone curious about your avatar? Today in this video, I'll answer this question and share what you can do in order to manage your profile activity. So let's get straight to the point. So first of all, launch your Roblox app. And unfortunately, Roblox doesn't currently allow users to see who has viewed their profile, Unlike some social media platforms, Roblox Cliff profile visits very completely private. So if you're hoping for a feature that shows who's looking at your profile, it's just not available, at least for now. But instead of that, what can we do? So here's what you can do. One of them is track your followers. So if you have the followers, you can see who's following you by clicking on the followers tab at your profile. Just head over to your profile and you can find your profile and friend section. You can go thoroughly to your friend request, and if someone sends you a friend request, for example, I have this friend, so if someone has sent you a friend request here at the top right tab, if someone has sent you a friend request, that it is most likely that they have visited your profile or noticed you in a game. So that's how you basically know if someone has viewed your Roblox profile. Other than that, if you have a game, you can see how many people have visited it, but it does not show the individual profiles, unfortunately. So therefore, while there's no way to check who has viewed your Roblox profile, there are plenty of ways to connect with others and keep your account safe. So if you'd like Roblox to add a feature like this in the future, just let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Roblox tips and tutorials. And see you next time.